Cleanline products are designed and fabricated by Toledo Metal Spinning Company. The unique modular design integrates a variety of tops that use the same modular base. Our offerings include a selection of tray tops, side load, ash top, flat top, and pop top, while customers will choose from 20 or 39 gallons. All of our Cleanline products are designed and built in the USA, located in Toledo, Ohio. We have a dedicated manufacturing team that builds quality into each Cleanline product that we fabricate, and we believe that our products are the highest of quality workmanship and raw materials offered in the marketplace. We pride ourselves on exemplary customer service standards and on-time product delivery. Since 1929, we have applied metal forming skills that include metal spinning, stamping, deep drawing, rolling and welding, machining, and part finishing to develop products that not only meet your aesthetic requirements, but provide years of durable service. Our stainless steel waste receptacles are constructed to the highest tolerances for precise fit and long product life. The inner and outer cylinders are constructed from 18-gauge stainless steel and are rolled and seam welded via tungsten inert gas. Once this process is completed, we strengthen and flatten the weld by planishing the weld seam. Tabs are snipped off of each end of each cylinder to provide a nice smooth edge for further forming operations. The inner cylinder slots or handles are laser cut and then hand deburred to prevent any sharp edges. The inner cylinder is fabricated with 3 horizontal alignment beads. These beads are pressed in by a beading machine, and once assembled to the outside cylinder, the beads are extremely functional in the alignment of the top and bottom waste receptacle components. Once the deburring is completed, the inner and outer cylinders are welded together along with the 14-gauge stainless bottom. The assembly is then put in the robot for the final brushing stage. Our robotic polishing machines provide a consistent brush finish on the exterior of each waste receptacle. Built specifically to polish, the robot is programmed to brush a beautiful satin finish on both the top and bottom components each and every time. The polished Cleanline assembly goes from the robot directly into the shipment container. It is then packed with scratch-resistant packing materials. The box is then sealed and ready for shipment. The family of Cleanline products are on the shelf and ready to ship out for your next project. Whether it be an airport, shopping center, workout facility, or school, we are ready to ship out your Cleanline at a moment's notice. You can find us at cleanline.com, and always remember, it's more art than trash. Enjoy your Cleanline today.